Subscribe to Queen Bee Paradise and hit the bell button so you won't miss the new videos from this channel. Hello friends, welcome to Queen Bee Paradise. Today's video is an organization video. This is basically my dressing space tour, sharing my ideas on how to arrange our grooming essentials like accessories, makeup and jewelries in a very functional way. Please note this video doesn't include any precious jewelry organization. Maybe that is a different video for another day. I do not have a separate dressing table in my home. It is part of the wardrobe itself. I have a L-shaped wardrobe. On one end, I have a tall full-length mirror attached to the wall. Adjacent to it, I have cabinets and drawers accessible from outside. So all the makeup essentials comes handy. If you had watched any of my previous videos, you would have already known that I am very fond of making DIY organizers. Here comes my next DIY. In order to utilize the door space efficiently, I have made this accessories organizer using cardboard. I am finding it very useful. Do you find it interesting too? Please let me know in the comments. My next video is on how I made this over-the-door organizer. Don't miss it. So I place all my accessories on this organizer in different rows. Now I can see all the available choices and it's easy to pick one. No more searching for clips and pins when we get ready in a hurry. I have mounted this organizer on an over-the-door multi-hook hanger. These hooks are very useful to hang the necklaces and chains. When it comes to neck pieces, I generally prefer wearing gold jewelry, so I do not have many of them to hang here. But anyways, these hooks are very sturdy and can hold many of them. This DIY organizer includes rows of hanging spaces, wherein in the first row I've hung my daily wear bindis. Next row I've pinned up all the safety pins, so there is no more treasure hunt for safety pins. In the third row, I've hung my daily wear hair clips. It is very easy to take it out and put it back. Next row holds all the clips with stoneworks. Hanging them like this helps in keeping them safe and avoids losing stones, etc. In the next row, all the tic-tac clips are clipped on. Again, it's very easy to access and put back. The space below is dedicated for all the earrings and the studs. Earrings and danglings are all hung here, like this. And I've attached a foam sheet below where all the studs are organized. It's very easy to access. Now let us see what I've placed in the shelf and the drawer below. In the shelf, I've used this small tray to place moisturizer, perfumes and some creams. These are comb cleaners. In this plastic remote control organizer, I've organized all my combs at the back. Next comes the makeup brushes. Here I've kept all the eyebrow pencils and lip liners bundled using a rubber band. Other miscellaneous stuffs like beauty blenders, etc. are placed in the front. In this storage box at the top, I've stored nail cutters and some bobby pins. Below, I've stored some occasionally used stuffs like eyebrow tweezers, etc. Below that, I've stored some additional stock of floss and electric brush accessories. At the back, I've placed the bangle stand which holds all my bangles. This bangle stand can be rotated and the bangles can be accessed easily. Now let us see what I've stored in the drawer below. I've used a drawer divider to store all my cosmetics. The lipstick and the lip glosses are placed in the front. Next comes the eyeliner, mascara and eyebrow palette. Behind that is the compact powder, foundation and few other makeup stuffs. The facial kit and the headband is placed here. And in this box I keep all my stone bindis that I use occasionally. My wristwatch. At the back, hair dryer and other miscellaneous stuffs are placed. In the topmost shelf, I've placed some pouches which I use while traveling. In one of the pouches, I've stored some small boxes and the Ziploc bags which I use for travel packing. In the other pouch, I've stored some miniature toiletries which will be carried while traveling. So it will be available handy all the time. Please watch my video on tips for travel packing for more details on how I use these pouches and stuffs while traveling. Hope you liked the idea shared in this video. If yes, please give me a thumbs up and do share the video with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.